One is ETC and the other one is P only, also called as power only. You can toggle between these two modes by pressing the ETC button. In ETC mode, you can operate all the keys available on the remote control, whereas the power only mode is the factory calibration mode where you can check the various hardware functions like jog keys and other test functions. Note that for the models below 2014, you can exit from the power only mode by pressing the exit button and restarting the TV. However, for the models above 2015, you need to press the in-stop button, which is a factory reset button, to exit from the power only mode. The ARC button, also known as aspect ratio control, is used to change the screen aspect ratio such as 4:3, 19:9, zoom 1 and 2, cinema zoom, etc. The SSM button is used to change the sound settings like music, movies, sports, etc. MPX button is used to toggle the audio channels such as mono, stereo, and the additional audio languages. The input button is used to change the external input sources like AV, components, and HDMI. The PSM button, also known as picture mode setting, is used to change the preset picture setting like movies, sports, games, expert 1 and 2, clear picture, etc. The PIP button is used to activate the picture in picture function. The picture and sound check button is used to get the quick information on picture and sound setting, and the cap button enables the caption or subtitles. The simpling button is used to access the device connected to the TV such as mobile phone and the DLNA devices, also known as Digital Living Network Alliance. In the coming courses, you will learn more about DLNA in detail. The I button is used to check the magic eye sensor located on the TV to control brightness and color automatically according to the room light ambience. The TILT button is used for the screen calibration mostly used in old models of plasma TV. The Bluetooth function is used to check Bluetooth communication. Instart is the most significant function of the Magic Remote controller and is used to see and change the service parameters of the TV like model name, software and hardware function, MyCom version, UTT, which is the TV usage time, power off history, RF remote control test, entering the model and serial number after repair service, changing the data communication port parameters, etc. You will be learning in detail in the coming courses, which is about understanding the functions of service remote. The adjustment button, ADJ, is used for changing various tools value in service mode like area code, white balance setting, sub brightness and contrast setting, T-con parameters, etc. X Studio button is used to activate smart TV functions and smart share functions such as HDD drive and flash drive connected to the USB port of the TV. Menu button will activate the user mode menu, and the exit button is used to return back to the higher menu. Time shift button is used to adjust the seek bar of the TV media player forward or backward. Mute button, as the name suggests, is used to mute the volume. The in-stop button is used to perform the factory reset, which will erase all the setting and return back to their factory default values. The volume and channel button are used to adjust the volume or channels respectively. These highlighted buttons will provide direct access to external inputs such as AV and the HDMI inputs. Note that this remote is only for service purpose and should be used by LG approved service engineers. Please note the part number mentioned at the bottom of the factory service remote control.